Are you ready to take your blogging game to the next level in 2023? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to create a profitable blog from scratch. From choosing a niche that you're passionate about, to setting up your blog and promoting it effectively, we've got you covered. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced blogger, grab a notebook and a pen and let's get started. The first step you need to take is to choose a niche. The first step in creating a successful blog is to choose a specific niche or area of interest. This could be anything from travel and lifestyle to personal finance and technology. By focusing on a specific niche, you'll be able to attract a dedicated audience of people who are interested in that topic. And once you have a dedicated audience, it becomes much easier to monetize your blog. Choosing a niche that you are passionate about will make it much easier to create content and promote your blog. It will also make it more likely that you will stick to it and see it through to the point where it becomes profitable. Step 2. Choose a blogging platform. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to choose a blogging platform. There are several options available, such as WordPress, Blogger, and Squarespace. Each platform has its own set of features and benefits, so it's important to consider which ones are most important to you. For example, if you're looking for a platform with a lot of customization options, WordPress might be the best choice. But if you're looking for a platform that's easy to use and set up, Blogger might be a better fit. Step 3. Set up your blog. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to set up your blog. This will include choosing a template, customizing your design, and creating pages and posts. This is also the time when you will be doing the basic SEO optimization for your blog. Make sure your blog is responsive, fast, and easy to navigate. When choosing a template, it's important to select one that is not only visually appealing but also functional. You want your blog to be easy to navigate and user-friendly. Step 4. Promote your blog. Now that your blog is set up and ready to go, it's time to start promoting it. Share your blog on social media, guest post on other blogs, and reach out to influencers in your niche. The more people you can get to visit your blog, the better. Social media is a great way to promote your blog, and it's free. Use it to connect with potential readers and promote your blog. Step 5. Monetize your blog. Once you've built up an audience, it's time to start earning money from your blog. There are several ways to monetize your blog, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling products or services. Experiment with different methods to see what works best for you and your audience. Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your blog, as it allows you to earn a commission on products or services that you recommend to your readers. Sponsored posts are another way to monetize your blog. These are posts that you write on behalf of a brand or company. Step 6. Keep creating content. Building a successful blog takes time and effort, and one of the most important things you can do is to consistently create valuable, high-quality content. This will help to attract readers and keep them engaged. You want to make sure your blog is regularly updated with fresh and relevant content. The more content you have, the more likely people are to visit your blog. Step 7. Optimize your blog. It's not enough to just have a blog. You also have to optimize it for search engines. This includes using SEO best practices, like keyword research and meta tags, to improve your blog's visibility. Google Analytics is a great tool to track your audience, their behavior, and their preferences. Use it to improve your blog and make it more user-friendly. Optimizing your blog for search engines will help you to get more traffic, which in turn will help you to monetize your blog more effectively. Step 8. Be patient and persistent. Creating a successful blog that earns money is not an easy task, but with patience and persistence, you can achieve your goal. It takes time to build an audience and monetize your blog, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Keep working hard, and you'll eventually see the fruits of your labor. Building a successful blog takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. It's important to be patient and persistent, and to not give up too easily. In conclusion, creating a blog and earning money from it is a process that takes time, effort, and patience. But by following these steps, you can increase your chances of success. Remember to choose a niche, choose a platform, set up your blog, promote it, monetize it, create content, optimize it, and be patient. With these steps in mind, you can be on your way to creating a successful blog in 2023. And don't forget to always learn, keep updated with the latest trends, and be creative. We hope you found this video helpful in creating your own profitable blog in 2023. Remember, building a successful blog takes time and effort, but by following the steps we've outlined, you'll be well on your way to monetizing your blog and achieving your goals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks on how to take your blogging game to the next level. Thanks again, and we'll see you in our next video.